In front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and let me show you how to activate emoji suggestions on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System, and click on Languages and Input. Now go to Virtual Keyboard and select Gboard. Click on Text Correction then, and now you will notice Show Emoji Suggestion feature. So unless it is active, just mark the switcher, and as only the indicator is active, emoji suggestions will be turned on. So this is it. This is how you can activate emoji suggestions. Obviously, whenever you'd like to switch them off, just unmark it. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.